This video will show you how to use MapQuest and My Maps on Google Maps to navigate and My Maps to optimize your path. So first of all, we want to put it on the map. So let's grab a parcel ID and it's a location on the map. So let's do that here. We search it into our cutepublic.net. Namely, I am using Meriwether as an example. So let's look that up. Let's try that again. Search. You can use Control Copy, Control Paste, or right click to have that menu pop up. So this is what it looks like. Let's view it on our map. You can also note that the physical location of this location address, we can copy that. But if it is a location that does not have a physical address that you can just simply put into Google Maps, then you would have to do a little bit more scrolling and navigating to find out exactly where this parcel is. So as an easy example, I'll do this one. Let's view the map. It is this one right here. We want to go to My Maps. So basically how you get there is just you look up My Maps, Google Maps. You just go here, get started. Let's create a new map. Okay, so I like to have everything under one layer so that you can export it easily. So let's paste this in here. So you can right click paste as well. Want to get the closer one. So let's say Meriwether, Manchester, GA. There you go. Right here. So that's where the pin dropped. Let's move this guy. Let's just add this to map. And let us move this guy exactly where we want it. So we want to make sure that this is exactly where it is. So it should be actually over here. So you are looking at this part here, which is the same part as this part here. So it should be this one. You can also double check it in Google Maps as well, that we are at the right spot, because sometimes they can be a little off. Okay, so what you can do as well is you can edit this. You can say that this is parcel number 1, or for example, the first house, or whatever order it is. For example, in my sheet, it'd be number 72. So I can easily do this 72 up in front, and separating. I can also put the parcel ID in the header as well. I can put that here. And if I wanted to, I could have a description, like there's a house here, or whatever. Save. And once you're done with this, let's put in a few more. I will just go to the list that I already made. Let's go here. So this is all of the parcels. We also have this as my starting one. So I'm just gonna left click that and drag that as my number 1. So that's where I'm starting. I'm going to export this. Click the little 3 buttons here. I want to export this one actually. the 3 buttons. Export CSV. Make this bigger so you can see. Export data, CSV, that downloaded. Okay, so once that's done downloading, I will take that, open it. So this is what it looks like. These are the points, latitude and longitude, and my names, and if I have descriptions for them. Some of them, check the roof, whatever, stuff like that. I will take this, copy this. You can control copy or right click copy, highlight the ones. And I'm going to take these points and put them into my little formula that I have going on. Right here, I am just gonna put in my paste. It's this part right here. Don't mind this. I'll just delete it. Okay, so put this here, paste, for values only. Okay, so there we go. It gets all the points. And so let's take these points. It would fill in all the way, but I only had a few in here. So let's take, so this, what it does is it splits everything into the different parts. So we're splitting this into latitude and longitude and stuff like that. And then eventually you'll get to this point here. And then we're just combining them together so that the last row here. So let's take all these points here. Multi-stop there. And let's put our points in here, paste them here, get route directions. And what you can do here is close this. You click for what you want. Shortest time, shortest distance, whatever. So for example, if I did start at my hotel, then I want to end up there. So yes, I want to round trip. And I want to have my home as the first one, or where I'm going to, so that it loops back to this point. So we're going to also let the program reorder the stops. And shortest distance, yes, I would like that. Okay, so let us go back to this part here. We don't need this part anymore, but let's go back here. And we are going to have this over here and this over here. Okay, so we'll just reorder everything. So first of all, we'll look at our pins. Obviously, A is number 1. That's where we're starting. So that's A. I already know that. The second point is B, which is going to be this point here. So let's actually go and move that. So this point is B. That's second. This point is C. And then D is over here. Pretty simply over here. Let's move that here. D. You can also edit this so that it says D. Right? Pretty easy. You can do that. D. And E is going to be the one in Greenville. This one is E. Okay, you can just reorder all of that. Easy peasy. Once you're done reordering, which I will not do, you can just basically click on the ones that you want to go to, view in Google Maps, and basically do this in directions. You can just be like, oh, directions to this location. So that's about it. Hope this is helpful. I will also be linking the spreadsheet with the formulas. I will title it, probably I'll move this column over to the front and just title it in big, bold letters. This you paste under here and then you copy these points. Okay, that's about it. And thanks for watching.